Hi guys, thank you for visiting today with me. We are going to be working on our Halloween pictures from last year, and I am going to be using the Vintage Halloween by Simple Stories. I ordered the kit, and then I do have like one or two spare sheets that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to start off by selecting the pictures that are going to be the center focus, or I guess I should say the main pages, and then separating them from whatever pictures are going to be the pocket pages. So obviously this picture is a 6x9 and it's of my children and my husband, and I decided to use this page that's in the background or on the bottom right now because hello, like a little cluster is already built into it. So we're going to keep it very simple. We're going to make that little cluster be the focus, and we're just going to keep accent the picture with a little bit of ephemera and a little bit of stickers, and we're going to call it a day. So I trimmed off the little bit of excess. This is one of the strips, and you guys know that I try to recycle as much as I can, and you guys just saw me cut a little bit of that strip because I don't know, I just like, you could still use them, so I don't know. I know some people are like, it's just a strip, but you could still use it. So anyways, I'm going to adhere the picture to this background. That the black looks like barbed wire or a fence, like a barbed wire fence. It's actually from another collection from years ago, and it was just time to use it. If you know what I mean, like I've kept it, I don't want to say years ago, I want to say I used it for the Day of the Dead Halloween, so it was probably last year when I was working on it, or almost a year. Not quite a year, but almost a year. You know, it's not Halloween yet, but anyway. Anyway, so I'm going to be using that as the background or the base for my picture. I purposely left about 1/2 inch of the black color sticking more on the right side of the picture, and I'm going to just accent this page. At the end of the video, you guys are gonna see I ended up creating 3 12x12 pages and then like 2 pocket pages. I just had a lot of pictures, you guys, but this Halloween was so fun, and we had so much fun. It was a fun Halloween. I think we set the standards really high, and now it's like, oh Lord, like I hope this Halloween we can match it. I'm kind of nervous about it actually, so hopefully it all works out. The main reason why, if you guys haven't seen it, this is the most watched video on my channel, and it's because we were just being dorks really, but it has over 1 million views. And well, what happens with that? You get a lot of mean people that comment negative stuff. So although I do appreciate that it was like, it's really put my channel on blast, it did bring in like some negative, you know, like comments. Of course, people feel the need to tell me that I'm super fat and ugly and all that stuff, but you know, they will never take away the fact that the kids and I and Mike had so much fun. So we're just gonna keep on moving with our lives and not let it affect us. But let me tell you, the reason why I even filmed the video in the beginning is because I have a thing for Halloween. I think it's so much fun. You get one day out of the entire year that you could be anything you want and play the part, really. And so I don't know, I just love Halloween, and I think I've showed it before. You guys have seen, right, the scrapbook pages where, since basically Adriana's first Halloween, I've had them be like a theme every year. I think 2 years I didn't do it, and that was obviously when I was deployed and when the kids were, I think when I got back, that year that I got back, I didn't have time to like really plan, so they just chose to be whatever they wanted. So anyways, I have a thing for Halloween, and the main reason why I wanted to do this Halloween video is because although the only crafting, well, I don't know if you guys would consider it crafting, but the only crafting that I did was I did do the makeup painting on my son. I just copied off of Pinterest. I look up pictures of Finn Balor, who, by the way, has the second nicest set of eyes I've seen on a person. The first one is my husband, of course. But he's got like such pretty eyes as well. And so I just looked up pictures, and I was looking at Pinterest pictures at the same time, and I didn't even practice. I just did it one time, and boom, it came out. It took me about 45 minutes to do the body paint on my son, but that was the only that you would consider craft. And I also put the costumes together. I basically just kind of looked over where and matched them up as close as I could. And then Michael built the ring, and he was out there like just the fact that like everybody got into character. And at first the kids were like, oh, I'm embarrassed, like I don't want my friends to see me, and especially with my son, he's oldest and stuff. And I was like, babe, this is like us, don't be embarrassed, like let's just have fun and don't think and my goodness, you guys, they had such a blast. Like they were just talking on and on about, and guess who got to, for somebody that's like, Mom, why are you making us do this? This year for Halloween, my son is like so looking forward to it, and he's really into it. And I don't know, I just love that, that, I don't know, I don't know. I don't know, you guys know what I mean. But so this was like such a fun day. We didn't go Halloween trick-or-treating because we've done trick-or-treating before, and this year we just wanted to give back. We will try to alternate. I think this year we're gonna give back as well. We're just trying to have more people in our neighborhood give instead of going out and receiving. So we are going to see how this year works. I'm kind of nervous because, oh gosh, I don't know, I'm kind of scared, to be honest. But anyways, I'm kind of excited too. So like I said, this was a super fun night. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll try to link it below. The kids, Mike got into character, making the moves. So little Mike was Finn Balor, big Mike was Nakamura, and Adriana was Bailey, who is the nicest person. I don't think, she just has a face that the real person that works at the WWE and is Bailey, she just has a face that even if she wants to be mean and be like a heel, she can't. She's just super nice. So Adriana, of course, wanted to represent her. We all picked our own little characters, and then we all kind of like mixed in. I wanted to document this night, so I took a lot of pictures, and that's why I ended up with a ton of pages and multiple pictures that at the end of the day I did not end up using. But overall, that was our Halloween, you guys. I don't know. I'm like super excited because I wish that you guys could just see when, you know, I always move my family like we're a unit, we're like a team, like a little squad. And just to see their excitement, and everybody was into character, and you guys only saw a glimpse on the WWE video, but uh, just to hear the kids like comment and like act being character and then roll and practice their moves, like I don't know, like it makes me really special that we were able to have like a true enjoyment doing this for the neighborhood. And a lot of the neighbors actually loved it because we were also like doing shows, you guys, like Nakamura was beating up Finn Balor, and little Bailey came out to help. I mean, we looked probably crazy, but they seemed to enjoy it. It was just super fun. So anyway, so this is my recording of the pages. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, towards the end, you guys will see the full pages, or the complete pages. And we will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy, and wish me luck, you guys, because it's like September and I'm like really nervous. I've ordered some stuff to put the Halloween's costumes together for this year, and I'm like super nervous because it hasn't arrived. I'm really kind of nervous. So anyways, well, wish me luck. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys soon. Have a good one. Hey guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you the final product. You guys saw this layout right here. We kept it very simple because I wanted to focus on what the paper already had for us. And this is the Simple Stories Vintage Halloween kit that I got. And this is, I know it's pretty bright pink, but this is my album for the pictures that, hello, is pretty empty, but that I'm starting to put together for the year 2017. And so we're gonna put, let me zoom you guys out so that you guys, oops, so that you guys could see. So this is the first page. Here's, I made this into a 2-layer, so here's the second page of that. So I'll bring it so you guys can see, like so. I don't know if it captures it all, like that. And then when you turn the page, we have a a page here. And so for this one, I wanted to show you the inspiration. Of course, these are the real people, Finn Balor and Bailey, and then of course the costumes that we put together. So I have that, and then here are my pocket pages. Let me put them inside. Okay, here's I've already journaled a few stuff in here, and that's like me putting the paint on Mike. You guys, I don't know if you've seen the actual video, and then just talking about how long it took to do the painting, and just added a few journaling cards, like you guys know how I do my pocket pages. And then the kids getting into character, added a few journaling, Mike getting into character. This one right here, although I feel like, I don't know if I have Happy Halloween over here and then Happy Halloween again, so I don't know if I like that. I might have to turn one or two the other way. But that's the second, well, the front of my second pocket page, and then this is the final one. Mikey being a goofball and Adriana being a goofball, and that's gonna be it for the Halloween pictures of 2017. So I'm gonna go over it one more time, only because they don't fit on my journal, on my scrapbook. So let me move everything out of the way. Okay, so I'll do it like this, and then I'll move it this way. You guys have seen these, but here's the layout that you guys just saw. Here's the second page of that, and then we flip over, and here's the back layer, and then here's the beginning or the start of the pocket pages. Here's the back of this one. Here's this one here. And then the back of that one. And that's gonna be it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon. Have a good one. Bye.